We're waiting on Jane. Jane! Rooster's here. Yeah! What? That critter gone? All right, let's get started, Reddies. Welcome. Welcome to my show. So what do you guys like to draw? Well, he left, so oh yeah, here we go. We just let's get started. What do you guys think? Yep. All right. Need some paper. Need some. Where's that guy had all the paper around here? Oh yeah, that man done left the office, so I guess you're gonna get a rooster tutorial today, boys. Alright, critters, pretty easy here. Follow along at home and try to keep up. So let's hurry up before Jeremy gets back. Okay, let's see here. He did this one, so I'm gonna do this one for you. It's called Spider-Punk. It's real fun. Let's get started. Alright, critters. Take this bad boy up and around and back down. It's kind of like a oval, I guess. Yeah, oval sounds good. And then we gonna go right up here and take it on down to the chin. Super easy, critters. All right, now we gotta do this spider dude's eye. Super easy. Just match that outside line. Remember, critters, if I'm going too fast, you just double tap that button. All right, now take that bottom line up and over. Pretty simple. And then, critters, we just gonna match it. We're just gonna match it right there. Oh yeah. Then, critters, we're gonna give it this little line like that. Another one like that, and fill it in, critters. Super easy, critter. All right, we're gonna give it another line. These are like the shiny things on the mask of the man spider. He's like a big man, but he's a spider. I don't really know. How's y'all looking? All right. All right, critters. That's what the neck. Let's bring this down right here, critters, and take it back down. Let's do the other part of the neck right there. And he's got this like spiky thing. I don't know what kind of fashion y'all in this time. But he's got some spikes, so go ahead, hit it with a spike. Oh, these things probably hurt you if you touch them. Don't touch them, critters. Just real pointy. Kind of like the spur on my cowboy boot. Y'all probably don't know what that is. Alrighty. Take that down. All the way around and up. Super simple. I don't know why this guy makes a big deal about this stuff. It's real simple. All right, take this neck down. Boom. All right, critters, we about done, critters. It's super easy, step by step. All right, yeah, let's hit him with the let's do his jacket right here, critters. Go to that neck right there. Take it up to like a point like that. And we finna bring it on back down to the other side, right there. Okay, let's see here, and take it down a little bit. And guess what? You guessed it. Another spike. Then another spike. Now what? All right, let's take this jacket, curve it back down. We kind of got a collar like me here. We'll go over there, loop it around and down. Real simple. All right, critters, take it down and then off the page like that. This is gonna be like his leather jacket. It's like a punk rock jacket, I guess is what Jane told me. Then the back, 2 bumps, boom, boom. Just take it off the paper like that. Super simple. All right, critters, we got his neck here. This is gonna lead into his shoulder. So simple line right there. Then I'm guessing this is like his chest where his shoulder goes out. Just curve it down. And we're just gonna follow this line and bring it down. Yep. Just like that, critters. And then we need this collar, but over here. So we finna take this one down. Same line. Bring it down. Come back. And then swoop on out the video. Right there off of the paper, not the video. My bad there, party. All right. And then a little jacket hole. Jacket hole. Oh, critters, it's hot in this heat out here. All right, critters. All we gotta do is arm right here, critters. So just another oval. Are you ready? Watch this. Too easy, critters. Come on now. All right. About done. Let's give it a little, like he ripped his jacket here. So just make some random up and down stuff. Real simple, like just like you rip through your jacket right there. All right, Breddies. Let's see what's next. We gotta do his head spikes. This guy, this spider boy, man, he really likes these spikes. So we'll take one off the top of the front, up and down. Real easy, real easy. And then we'll do it again. Up and down. All right, critters, we don't want to leave the paper, so we're gonna do a little dot. And then we're gonna take this one down. Like that. Sound like a real 6-shooter right there, didn't it? All right, then we're gonna take this one down. There we go, critter. It ain't hard. It ain't hard. We do our best. Oh, I thought he was coming. All right, critters, if I disappear real quick, you know why, okay? All right. All right, same thing. We're gonna take this one back now. It's like a, what'd they call it? Like a mohawk? Yeah, like a mohawk. All right, critters. This one's gonna get a little shorter. So up and down, critter, real simple. And we gotta take it off the back of the head, critters. Let's go. Pew, 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 pew. It's the Wild West out here. And we're gonna take it down and meet it. All right, I think we got like 2 more to do. And then we'll do a little baby one on the neck. Little baby one right there on the neck. Well, I think we got ourselves a picture right here. All right. What are we missing? I got it. It's the webs on his little spider boy mask thing here. So go to the top of the line, critters. Just take that on out. Right there. Grab another one. Take it on out. Should we bend this one? Should we? Now we'll do one more. Go right on out. And then this one, critters, when you get to the eye right here, you gotta kind of bend it because we're going a different direction now. We're going down on his head. So just take it down on his head like that. Too easy. I told you I'll get you going here. All right, one more we're going on that. Well, no, not one more, but one next to that one right there. I think, critters, you know what? We'll go up here now. So go over to the top Boom, right there, critter. Take it on down like that. And now, we're gonna meet that one. So we go middle of the eye, right here, critter. Pew, 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 pew. All right. Then we're gonna go this one up now. So we're gonna go up, boom. One more, boom. Man, I hope y'all having much fun with me. This is kind of fun. All right. Let's take it. We'll go to this spike here, critters. We'll go down and up. Down and up. Same thing all the way around, critters. So easy. Shoo. All right, critters, we gotta do that again up here. I think that's it for those webs. Now we gotta get our neck web. So we'll start right here. And then we'll take those down the neck. So like that. And then we'll go other way web. So like an upside down U right there. Upside down U right there. Too easy. This is too easy, critters. Alright. Below the neck, same thing. Upside down U. And then, yeah, don't even need to add it there. And then we'll go. And then we'll go. It kind of gets tricky right here on this shoulder, but take his chest down, critters. And then we'll go start us a new line right there. This one will keep going, and then we just do upside down U's. Keep the party going. And same thing all the way over here. Upside down U's. And then they kind of get bigger. That's it. That is the punk rock spider boy they always talk about. Real simple. Hope you had fun. Gonna color this right quick and get back to you before the old man comes and catches me. All right, let's color. All right, critters, that's it. It is that easy. 3, 2, 1. Check it out, critters. Wow. I was surprised how much grays and light grays we used. The old Spider Boy is usually red and blue, but hey, this one was a little more black and white. Hope y'all liked it. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you didn't know, we have a make-believe show starring old Rooster here on our other account, The Bread Kids. So go follow that video as well, and it's time for me to disappear.